Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are on $4 loss. I grew this account from two something dollars. Okay, my current balance is $30. Okay, let's just wait. That okay, yes, the breakout. Yo, baby. Our SL will be here. 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 Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Finally. Let's hit our TB. TB. Okay, the price gave this rejection from this previous level. Okay, guys. So as far as my experience, that yes, it is rejecting. It is rejecting, so need to break this zone because the price is rejected twice. Okay, that's why it need to break. It needs to break. This is our stop loss. Break it, baby, break it. Let's target. Yes, it breaks, baby, it breaks. Come on, just give me the profit. This is how I scalp. This is so simple. This is not simple, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is very hard to know exactly where the price will head. Okay, this is my strategy, guys. So if you like this video, kindly share with other traders. Welcome back, guys. So current profit. So we have recovered our loss and heading towards our TP. Simple.